While most people today believe that evolution was first described by Darwin, nothing could be further from the truth. The first descriptions of biological evolution are found in the writings of Muslim scholars, over a millennium ago. John William Draper, author of The History of the Conflict Between Science and Religion, 1874, wrote that theological authorities were therefore constrained to look with disfavor on the Mohammedan theory of the evolution of man from lower forms, or his gradual development to his present condition in the long lapse of time. The History of the Conflict Between Science and Religion, 1874, by John William Draper. Draper was right. Scholars such as the Brethren of Purity, Al-Jahiz, Ibn Khaldun, and Rumor freely discussed evolution. They found the idea described in the Holy Quran. What is the matter with you that you do not ascribe dignity to Allah? And certainly He has created you in stages. And Allah has raised you from the earth like the raising of vegetation. The Quran proposes that man underwent development through different stages, adopting different forms and conditions, Atwaran, before culminating in his current condition. It implicates plant life as part of human development, an area for further research. Evolution discussed by the Quran does not take the Darwinian form, which is guided by chance. Rather, the Quran tells us that God Himself guides biological evolution. And Thy Lord creates whatever He pleases and selects. It is not for them to select. Glorified be Allah, and far is He above all that they associate with Him. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon if you wish to see videos like these in future.